Hello everyone, I am Abhishek KV, mathematics lecturer at Sri Ramakrishna Vidyashala, Mysuru. So we are in the discussion of KCET 2026 mathematics question paper. So we already completed 33 questions. So let's start the today's question with continuity and differentiability of your second year PUC. So this time they asked 5 questions from this chapter. So let's start with the first question of this session. So here they given if square root of x into cube root of y is equal to x plus y whole power n and x into dy by dx minus y is equal to 0, then what is n? So here we have to use this time saving result, then it will be easy for you to get the answer. If x power p into y power q is equal to x plus y whole power p plus q, if your equation of this form, then your first order derivative with respect to x will be y by x. That's all. So this is what they given dy by dx. If I'm going to simplify this, I'll getting dy by dx is equal to y by x. And see here, to find the value of n, it's enough to find p plus q. To find the exponent of x plus y, it's enough to find p plus q. And according to the question, square root of x is nothing but p is 1 by 2 and plus cube root of y is cube, that is 1 by 3. So if I'm going to add these two things, see LCM is 6, 3 plus 2 cross multiplication, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 by 6, option 3 is the right answer. I hope you all got the answer for this. Please note down this time saving result. It is very important. Okay, next we'll move on to the second question of continuity and differentiability, that is question number 13, version code B2. So here f of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Then what is f dash of 1 by 2? Instead of differentiate, we have to find the differentiation first. Instead of finding the derivative for sine inverse of 2x plus 1 plus x square, if I use this time saving result, what is the time saving result? See, you should know, here they given f of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. See, here this can be directly written as 2 tan inverse x, because sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x. If now if you are going to differentiate this, it will be easy for you to get the answer. See, what is the derivative of tan inverse x? It is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Since we have to find out f dash of 1 by 2, wherever we have x, we have to substitute 1 by 2. So here we have x square, it become 1 by 4. It is 2 divided by 1 plus 1 by 4. If you are going to take the LCM in the denominator, it become 4. Denominator of the denominator become numerator. So 4 2 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. So answer is 5 by 8. Option 2 is the right answer. See, for every question we have time saving result. See, if you first see, to learn time saving result, first you should know the concept very well. After you studying the concept, after you understand the concept very well, then you should go through with time saving result. Then only you are getting the time saving result very well. Okay, so next we'll move on to question number 36. So here they given y is equal to cube root of tan x plus y. Then what is dy by dx? So first, see, instead of taking derivative directly, first we should simplify the function. See, cubic on both sides. It become what? Y cube is equal to tan x plus y. Tan x plus y. See, if you're going to take y to this side, it become y cube minus y is equal to tan x. Now it will be easy for you to differentiate. Now differentiate the above function with respect to x. So it become 3y square into dy by dx minus into dy by dx. Here also we have y, so it also become dy by dx. If you are going to take dy by dx outside, it become 3y square minus 1 dy by dx, and this is equal to tan x differentiation is secant square x. So if you are going to simplify what is dy by dx, then your answer will be secant square x divided by 3y square minus 1. Answer will be option 4. The answer for this question is option 4. See, very simple. Okay, next I'll move on to question number 12, version code B2. So the second order derivative of cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x with respect to cos inverse of 2x square minus 1. So this derivative of parametric form. See here, if you're going to consider u is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, here the substitution will be x is equal to cos theta. X is equal to cos theta. So your u will become cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And I hope you all know what is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. It is cos 3 theta. If you're going to cancel these things, you're remaining with 3 theta. Therefore, your u changes to very simple function, that is 3 theta. Similarly, if you're going to consider v as cos inverse of 2x square minus 1, 2x square minus 1, here also x is equal to cos theta is the substitution. Say for substitution, you should know for x square plus 1, x square minus 1, 2x square minus 1, 4x cube minus 3x. For all these things, if you know the substitution very well, then it will be easy for you to get the answer. See, cos inverse of 2 cos square theta minus 1, and I hope you know what is 2 cos square theta minus 1. It is cos 2 theta. Cos inverse cos get cancelled. You are remaining with the 2 theta. Therefore, your function v reduces to 2 theta and your function u reduces to 3 theta. Now we have to find out second order derivative. To find second order derivative, before that we should find what is first order derivative, that is du by dv. See, what is du by dv? It is du by d theta divided by dv by d theta. What is du by d theta? See, here u is equal to 3 theta, du by d theta is 3. dv is equal to 2 theta, dv by d theta is 2. So this is your first order derivative. See, if they ask the first order derivative of this function with respect to this function, then the answer will be option 3. But what they ask, the second order derivative. See, if I am going to take the second order derivative for this constant function, d square u divided by dv square. See, the derivative of constant, you know, option 1 is the right answer. You should be careful. You should be careful. And no need to do all these things. See, if you know the result very well, you can directly write u is equal to 3 theta. That is 3 cos inverse x. V is equal to 2 cos inverse x. Since they mention with respect to, we are going to take the parameter as theta. U and V are defined under one more variable, that is your parameter. Okay, so this is the option 1 is the right answer for question number 12. Let's move on. So here the question number 11, version code B2. Here they given if f of x is equal to ax plus 7 when x is less than 1, 3x minus 1 x is equal to 1, x plus 3 by b if x is greater than 1 is continuous at x is equal to 1. See, when the function is continuous, the function will be continuous when LHL is equal to RHL. Since they mentioned the function is continuous at x is equal to 1, we have to consider the limit as x tending to 1 minus is equal to the limit as x tending to 1 plus. So x tending to 1 minus refers to first function, that is ax plus 7. Write down the function ax plus 7. X tending to 1 plus refers x is greater than 1, that is the function will be x plus 3 by b, x plus 3 by b. If you are going to apply as extending x as 1, because limit as extending to 1, so it become a plus 7 is equal to 1 plus 3 is 4 by b. So we have to find out what is the value of a and b. See, instead of solving this, if you're going to go through with options, the option A, what you have? 5 and 2. 5 plus 7. And what is your b? 4 by 2. This is not equal, so option A is wrong. Come to option B quickly. Minus 5 is A and b is minus 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. But here we have 4 by minus 2. This is also not equal. Option 2 is wrong. Then option 3. 5 is A. 5 plus 7. And this is equal to the given 4 by minus 2. But this is not equal. So option 3 is wrong. You can directly take option 4. Let's check. See, minus 5 plus 7 is equal to 4 by 2. Correct? 4 by 2 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So this will satisfy the answer. So these are the 5 questions I wanted to discuss in this session. I hope you all got the answer for the questions of continuity and differentiability of your second year PUC. Thank you everyone. Love you all. Take care. Namaste. Bye bye.